saying before I realized that I got cut off on times, that because 100 centigrams is to 1 gram, it's the same units of measurement. Liters, grams, and meters are my base units, but everything else is staying the same. So the conversion rates are going to be the same. The only thing that changes is the type of measurement that I'm using, whether I'm measuring for capacity, whether I'm measuring for length, or whether I'm measuring for mass. Okay, so this is my conversion factor. So if I take a look here, she did 10 centigrams times 75 hundredths equals 7.5 centigrams equals 75 grams. She's not correct, right? She needed to use the conversion rate. She should have used 100 centigrams for 1 gram. Okay. And so when she did that, if she had done 100 centigrams to grams, what it would be is I would take my 7,500 grams and I would times this by 100. And so when I times it by 100, that means I can move my decimal 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So I move it 2 places to the right. And when I move it 2 places to the right, I end up with 75 grams as my answer. So she used the wrong conversion factor. All right. So taking a look at your independent practice, I would like for you to go ahead and do 5 through 11. So you're going to do all of your independent practice problems. If we take a look at your math practice and problem solving, I would like for you to do the following problems. So I'd like for you to do 12. I'd like for you to go ahead and do 13 because both of those are giving you practice with converting metric units. I'm not interested in 14 for you guys today. If you have time and you'd like to do it, go ahead and go for it. So you're going to do 12, 13, and then I'd like for you to do 15, 16, and 17. So you're going to do 15, 16, and 17. So you're doing problems 5 through 13, and then you're doing 15 through 17.